Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down and we have to enter the developer options, but as you can see they are inactive. So in order to activate them, we have to enter About Device, scroll to find the version, and keep tapping on the build number. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our video of how to enable them, but also we will explain some of the options which are there. Alright, so after activating, we have to go back to the settings, again enter additional settings, tap on the developer options, and here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. Let's tap on the switcher, and this option is right now active, which simply means that your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted, so you don't have to manually update it, but remember about restarting it from time to time so your device will have a chance to download the update and apply it to the system. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.